Hi Jewellz, it's wig transformation time. I love a good wig that I can style in more than one hairstyle, meaning curl it, bang, straight back, whatever I want to do. So please watch and enjoy. Please ask questions, and I'm going to show you. Please keep in mind also that I have also worn this wig before, so I'm not going to show you the cutting of the lace and all of that. I decided to use flex rods because I wanted a really tight curl, full curls. I used the bigger flex rods in the back and the smaller ones in the front, and that's only because of the bang and the hair being shorter in that area. I wanted a more defined curl, so I chose to use the smaller ones. And look at that curl. I had the flex rods in for about 2 days just because I didn't have time to take it out. I always lay a little bit of baby hair down, more of a natural baby hair. I don't like extreme baby hairs. I like a more realistic look. You'll notice I still have the curls very tight on the sides and at the top. I usually like to, install my wig fully, and then I'll like to break apart the curls to define the curls to my face. You'll notice a little residue from my product, but a little cloth and some water will take that right off. I'm just trying to lay everything down properly the way I would like it. So I'm using a wax stick, and I'm gonna, straighten it with the hot comb. But first, I'm gonna definitely get rid of that residue because it's irritating me. Look at the difference that comb, made. It's really coming together. And keep in mind, this is my first time doing this. I used a little bit of powder foundation on my part to blend it in, and on the sides a little bit. And voila, there you go. What do you think? Bye, Jewellz. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and even share if you would like. Till next time, thank you.